guys, welcome back to the Daya Daily. So I'm turning my mom into Mal. You are gonna see in the video. If you guys want to see me turn into Mal, click the link right here. I've done a couple of them. If you want to see me do more makeup on other people, leave in the comments down below. You guys have to watch to the end of the video so you guys can see how my mom turns into Mal. Let's get on to the video. Woo, woo, woo. Alright, so we're gonna start on this foundation.
Super pale.
Yeah, she is pale. We're doing the Mal from Descendants 2.
Do you like Mal's look better in number 1 or number 2?
Number 1.
Number 1? How come?
I just don't really like the bangs and her straight hair. I kind of like the curly hair better. Let's go.
It's fun having you do my makeup.
I've never done your makeup before.
I know.
So pale.
Looking like a zombie. Look.
What's so wrong with a girl and a zombie? I don't think we need this. She's pretty light right now.
You can do it under the eyes.
I'm gonna be Addison, and my cousin Brett's gonna be the zombie.
So make sure you subscribe so you can see that video, huh?
Yep.
It's gonna be awesome.
Okay, now we're gonna start it with powder. I use the fluffy brush. She got it.
Gotta make sure it's a light powder with the light foundation.
I'm gonna pin Mommy's hair back so it's not in my way. There we go. Now I'm gonna start on the eyeshadow.
You
Okay.
always do the darkest colors last. So you want to start with the transition color, and then you want to do the
Darker.
the lid color, and then you do the darker colors.
So I'm gonna be using this purple. It's from Sephora. It's a really light purple. It's in the color Midnight Kiss. Casey, come say hi. Come say hi. Say hi. Hi. She's my cute little boy. Close. So I'm gonna start with it in here. Now we're gonna start with a light purple, just right there. Since you did the base color, I'm gonna start with this light purple color. It's this color right here. It's really light purple.
Any light purple will do, though.
Yep. This is kind of a glittery purple. So we're using these palettes.
This one's from ColourPop.
This is from Babella Pro. And I can decide which ones I should use, so we're using these ones. So I'm just gonna use a mixture of those. Look at me. Perfect. I think it's a little bit too out here, so I'm just gonna like blend it a little bit. This kind of small, fluffy brush. These are like the same brushes. They are! Cool. In the center, I'm actually gonna add this purple again. I'm adding it right kind of in the center, like right there. Okay, now I'm gonna add the darker color. I'm using...
It's just kind of like a charcoaly gray.
So what I'm doing is I'm kind of bringing it a little bit under so that I'm leaving like the purple right there. Leaving the purple right there, and I'm putting the black here and there. Now we're gonna do the wing. For the wing, we're using, it's black, but it has like a purple shimmer inside of it.
Right at the lash line?
Yeah. So it starts out like you can barely even see it, and then she goes like, whoa, wing, man.
So the trick with wing liner is instead of using this part to do the flick, you use this part because it makes it a lot softer. See that? Cool, huh?
I just learned this from my mom. Instead of using this part, use the flick so it can just go whoop.
Wings are on.
And now I'm gonna have her put this in her waterline.
It's like a whitish color.
Good, your eyes look bigger. So my mom's gonna put this
Big Shot mascara. And I'm doing it mostly on the outer corner.
We're gonna cut these in half. Then we'll do right here. Snip them. And stack them on.
And we're gonna use the Duo Clear Lash Glue. Just do a tiny little bit on the band line. Let it dry for 20 seconds and it's good to go.
My hand is not steady. No, 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 no. Oh my gosh. You moved and you made me laugh.
Oh, that's funny. Okay, how's that?
Let me see. Let me see. Oh, good.
I'll just add some quick mascara to the bottom lashes.
Actually, I'm going to start on the contour.
We're just adding a little bit of gray contour.
Yep. It's kind of a brownish gray. So.
Do this one.
I like this brush.
Good.
Now I'm going to add the blush. It's tiny. Now I'm going to do her eyebrows. Now we're using Wet n Wild highlight.
This one's in Blossom Glow.
She has a lot of sparkle right there.
Woo!
So she does have a lot of sparkle there. Oh, here's this I'm gonna use.
It's the L'Oreal lip palette. That way she can kind of create the custom color that she wants to do.
So I'm gonna use this one.
Just trying to make them look a little bit bigger on this upper Cupid's bow.
I'm using this color. So I feel like she has a little bit of light right there.
In the center?
Yeah. Smash. Now, we have to add one more thing, and we're not gonna show you, because that's alright. Drum roll, please. Here she is! Ah! So, how does she look? I think she looks like the real Mel.
You did such an awesome job, babe. Like, seriously, I love this makeup. I would wear this every day.
So, what do you guys think? I think I did a good job.
I think she did an awesome job. Give this video a thumbs up if you think Daya made me look like Mel.
And subscribe, 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 subscribe to my channel and to Kaysen's channel.
Her little brother's channel is so cute, so make sure you go and subscribe.
And we'll link it right here. I had so much fun doing this makeup on my mom. I never done makeup on my mom before. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We love you guys. Bye.
Bye.
Bob. No! You can't erase Bob. You cannot erase Bob. Look, Bob. You erased Bob! How dare you erase Bob?
So silly.